little hideout today.
Make sure you deburr all of your metal pieces because you will cut yourself, or most likely, like I did. A little slip there. I don't know, I got a million of them just over the past week. Once you get the brakes off and the handlebar fitting off, then you gotta cut the end of this, loop out the brake system to the bottom of this part. Just cut the very end right there, and the whole thing just comes free and pulls out here from here, and unscrew the collar. This is all. And then you get the whole thing out. Be careful, there's bearings in here. See the bearings?
But I'm pretty sure they're sealed bearings, so you don't have to worry about it.
See? Take the collar off, this thing just pops out. There's your bearings, they're filthy, so I gotta clean those up and figure out which way I'm gonna put the forks. So they might be going like that, in backwards or upside down, so I can have those. I don't know, I'm still in the thinking, okay, if you need some leverage to clamp down something, you don't have any clamps, you can use a pair of vice grips. Right there. You gotta use these to put in the crate, and then this is a little more stable. It wasn't flipping up, flipping over on me. From here, I just cut the plates off of here with the chop saw. It's basically 2 cuts, and I cut out the center little crossbar here because I'm going to split these. So the handlebar, spread these apart. So I had to remove the center support cross beam. It's going to be an axle holder. Something like that. It's getting closer to an idea.
A little hideout today.